We need to talk is one of the most toe-curling sentences anybody hears, and that's because we expect a negative outcome out of it. But that's based on our appraisal. And there's a theory called appraisal theory, and it explains that we don't just hear words, but we judge them based on our emotions, our experiences, and our expectations. So that sentence, for example, can be seen as neutral, it can be seen as threatening or urgent, but depending on the context will depend on how you interpret that. So it's how the listener feels in that moment that that sentence is uttered. So if somebody's already stressed, they're much more likely to interpret things like feedback as criticism. But you can flip this around. Really, you could see this as an opportunity. If someone is stressed and you know their pain point, but you also are able to signal that you know a resolution to the issue, they'll perceive this in a much more positive light, and they're much more likely to follow through with what you're talking about. So think about three things before the conversation. How are they feeling? How would that shape how they hear what you're saying? And three, how can you frame what you want to say so they receive the message in the way that you intended it to be received? Because communication isn't just about what you say, it's about how other people interpret what you say.